Cyber attacks are rising every single day. Hackers are smarter, threats are bigger, and companies are desperate for protection. But what if I told you there's a company quietly powering Fortune 500 firms, banks, telecom giants, and even governments, with cutting-edge cybersecurity and cloud protection? I'm talking about Radware, NASDAQ, RDWR, a hidden gem in the cybersecurity sector. And in today's video, we're diving deep. What does Radware actually do? Why analysts believe it could become a multi-bagger stock? And the latest news every investor must know. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share whether this stock is worth adding to your portfolio or not. Radware's business. So first things first, what exactly does Radware do? Radware is a global leader in cybersecurity and application delivery solutions. Their products protect businesses from DDoS attacks, distributed denial of service, web application attacks, cloud security breaches, and they ensure smooth traffic management for apps and websites. In simple words, if the internet is the highway, Radware builds the barriers, tolls, and security cameras to make sure nothing crashes and no one sneaks in. Their biggest strengths? Cloud security solutions, fastest growing segment. Application Delivery Controllers, ADC, helping enterprises manage apps faster and safer. AI-based attack prevention. They use machine learning to detect and stop threats in real time. Radware serves over 12,500 enterprise and carrier customers worldwide. Clients include banks, government agencies, e-commerce platforms, and telecom providers. That's a massive addressable market. Financials and growth potential. Now let's talk numbers, because every investor loves numbers. Radware reported Q2 2025 revenues of $68.5 million, with strong momentum in cloud subscription services, which grew over 18% year-on-year. Here's the interesting part. Recurring revenue is now more than 40% of total revenue, giving them stable, predictable income. Gross margins? Around 80%. Very strong compared to many competitors. They also sit on a cash-rich balance sheet with zero debt. So even though growth is steady, not explosive yet, the fundamentals are solid. And remember, in cybersecurity, stability is gold. Why could Radware be a multi-bagger? All right, now the big question. Can Radware be a multi-bagger stock? Here's why investors are excited. 1. Cybersecurity boom. By 2030, the global cybersecurity market is expected to hit $500+ billion. Demand is skyrocketing. 2. Shift to cloud security. Radware is aggressively moving into subscription-based cloud services, which have higher margins and long-term sticky clients. 3. AI integration. Their AI-driven DDoS and threat detection systems are becoming critical in fighting next-gen cyber attacks. 4. M&A potential. Analysts believe Radware could become an acquisition target for larger cybersecurity players like Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, or Cisco. If that happens, the stock could skyrocket overnight. 5. Undervalued compared to peers. While big names trade at 10 to 15x sales, Radware trades at just 2.5x sales. That's a huge discount if growth accelerates. Latest news update. Now let's quickly cover the latest news. July 2025. Radware announced a strategic partnership with Microsoft Azure to integrate its cloud DDoS protection into Azure Marketplace. This expands global reach dramatically. June 2025. They launched a new AI-powered bot management solution, which analysts say could add millions in subscription revenues. Also, Radware has been buying back shares, signaling management's confidence in undervaluation. These moves show Radware is not just surviving but innovating and positioning itself for explosive growth. Risks you must know. But of course, no stock is risk-free. Here are the key risks for Radware investors. Competition from giants like Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, Cloudflare growth has been slower than peers' heavy dependence on large enterprise contracts. Losing a big client could hurt revenues. So investors need patience and conviction if betting on this stock. So here's my final take. Radware is a high-quality cybersecurity play with strong fundamentals, growing cloud business, and AI-driven innovation. It might not double overnight, but if you're looking long-term, it has all the right ingredients to become a potential multi-bagger stock. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Radware is undervalued and ready to rise? Or will it remain a small player compared to giants like Cloudflare and Palo Alto? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I reply to every single one. And hey, if you found value in this analysis, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Because next week, I'm covering another hidden cybersecurity gem you don't want to miss.